slicing bread to make a sandwich. However, you were clumsy and accidentally make a small cut on your arm. Now, let's see what happens beneath that cut. What you see right now is red blood cells in a blood vessel. On the top is a layer of skin, as well as the skin hairs. The space between the skin and blood vessel is called the interstitial space. Here comes the knife! Ouch! The knife left an opening for pathogens to come in. Look at those nasty green pathogens. But don't worry, your body has a defense for this. Mast cells release histamine, which increases blood flow and vessel permeability. This helps bring macrophages, a type of white blood cells, to the site of injury. Look! There's a macrophage! The macrophage enters the interstitial space and engulfs the pathogen. Let's take a closer look at the macrophage. In order to help you learn more about what happens next, we have upgraded our viewing device so now you can see the fine details of the macrophage and the pathogen inside. The orange molecules on the pathogen are antigens, foreign molecules that are recognized by your body's immune system. The black molecules on the macrophage make up a class 2 MHC molecule. We will now look at the roles of these molecules. The pathogen is digested. The MHC molecule presents the antigen. A helper T cell has a receptor that recognizes the MHC molecule and antigen. The helper T cell binds to a B cell with the corresponding class 2 MHC molecule and releases cytokines, activating the B cell. Here is a simplified B cell. Let's look at what happens when it's activated. The B cell has divided. When activated, B cells proliferate and differentiate into plasma cells and memory cells. To help you distinguish between the plasma and memory cell, we have added surface antibodies to the memory cell. These two cells will continue to proliferate, a process called clonal selection. All of the plasma and memory cells are specific for the antigen that it recognized. We'll now take a closer look at the plasma cells. This is a plasma cell. It will secrete antibodies, large, Y-shaped proteins that bind to specific antigens. The antibodies will bind to antigens on a pathogen. This helps inactivate the pathogen by promoting phagocytosis of the pathogen or other mechanisms of cell destruction. Thus, your body is protected from the pathogen. You are slicing bread for a sandwich and cut yourself again. The same kind of pathogen from 2 weeks ago enters through the cut. But don't fear. This is why we have memory cells. The memory cell that was produced 2 weeks ago recognizes the pathogen. The memory cell activates the immune response much more quickly so the pathogens were destroyed more efficiently. This is called the secondary response. Now, just sit back and watch these antibodies go out for more antigens.